The time to invest in micro-fulfillments, it's definitely now. That in-shopper demand has been multiplied by a factor of about 25 in the last 5 years. There's a huge need for assembling orders at scale. And the only way that you can actually build a viable business and delight those shoppers is with these capabilities. We have learned so much now by being live with clients for over 3 years. Hardware, software, AI-wise, we put it all together with something that really delivers those business results. Finally, we're now living a world where labor shortages are real. Why not put your best people and very scarce people to pick about 700 units per man hour rather than 60? And that's why the time is now to invest in micro-fulfillments.